Money amma.
So good afternoon. Good afternoon to one and all.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So last class I discussed about that constellation diagram for QPSK. So the distance between two symbols is d equal to 2 into root of UB in QPSK. Each symbol consists of 2 bits. Okay, today we will discuss about that M-array PSK. So now here we can observe that what way M-array PSK is different from QPSK and BPSK. First of all, here we can define what is a M-array PSK. Okay. Now I am sharing my screen to start the lesson. So before going to discuss about that in deep with the M-array PSK, here we can define what is the M-array PSK modulation. What is meant for this M? So M is a number of symbols. Here we can indicate that. Please note down. M indicates that number of symbols. Number of symbols are levels. Number of symbols are levels. So in this case, here M array PSK, number of symbols are there. Here we can share the total one is 2 pi, angle of 2 pi. That can be divided into for M symbols. So in previous classes here we can discuss about that in BPSK, so the angle 0 or 180 because each symbol consists of only one bit. 0 is there, the phase is in 180 degrees phase difference. 1 is there, 0. That is total 180 is in 0 or 180. In QPSK,
Madam, hello, madam.
okay. In QPSK, the
Madam.
total, okay, I will allow. 2 pi, that is an angle. So divided into here 4. Okay. Like this here, we can divide this one into 4 angles. Here, this is an 2 angles. That is an 0 or 1. For 0, 1 angle and 1 phase, 0 another phase. In QPSK, 4 phase angles are there. So here we can QPSK can be called as an 4 PSK. 4 PSK here. 4 PSK modulation instead of QPSK. 4 PSK indicates that 4 symbols here. 4 symbols. That means M is equal to 4. We can divide that one into 5 by 4. We can indicate that. 5 by 4, 180 by 4. So here for carrier, here we can indicate that 45 degrees and symbol to symbol 90 degrees phase difference that can be takes place. In this case also M array PSK, M indicates that number of symbols and indicates that in M array PSK, M indicates that number of symbols that can be indicated 2 to the power of n, where n indicates that number of symbols, number of bits, where n indicates that number of bits, So here n is equal to 1, M has 2 levels only and 2 symbols, either 0 and 1, that is a BPSK. N is equal to 2, this is an BPSK for this case, BPSK. For n is equal to 2, how many symbols are there? 2 to the power of 2, 4 symbols. 4 symbols, that is nothing but a QPSK. And here n is not fixed here. Okay. N is number of bits. N is a number of bits. 3, 4, 6, 5, 8, like that. If suppose n is 8, how many symbols at a time here we can transmit? How many symbols? Any symbols మనం ట్రాన్స్మిట్ చేయొచ్చు. n is equal to 8. 2 to the power of 8. Calculate చేయండి. ఎన్ని సింబల్స్ మనం ట్రాన్స్మిట్? m is equal to
256 ma'am.
256 సింబల్స్. ఇప్పుడు టోటల్ మనకి 0 to 2π టోటల్ ఆ యాంగిల్ 360 యాంగిల్స్ మనం ఎంతవరకు మనము స్ప్లిట్ చేయొచ్చు? ఫేజ్ యాంగిల్స్. ఎన్ని ఫేజ్ యాంగిల్స్? ఇక్కడ n is equal to 2 అయితే కాంబినేషన్ 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 సారీ 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 అంటే 4 సింబల్స్. ఈచ్ సింబల్స్ని టోటల్ యాంగిల్ మనం 4 సింబల్స్కి డివైడ్ చేస్తాం, అంతేనా మనం? మరి ఇక్కడ 256 సింబల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. టోటల్ యాంగిల్ ఎలా డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం? డివైడెడ్ బై m. Here we can indicate that is an 2π by m. Here we can indicate that m is a number of levels. Here number of levels. N is number of symbols. Here instead of transmitting only 2 bits or 2 symbols and 4 symbols, here we can transmit number of symbols. That is entirely depending upon number of bits. If that n is equal to 3, 2 to the power of 3, only 8 symbols are transmitted. Each symbol is consists of 3 bits. If n is equal to 4, 2 to the power of 4, that is 16 symbols. Each symbol is consists of 4 bits. If n is equal to 8, the number of symbols or levels are 256. Each symbol is consists of 8 bits. 256 symbols. Each symbol has a different phase angle. 256 symbols ki each one has a different phase angles, and then here we can transmit the signal. After 256 symbols again that can be repeated, that information. Like that here the information that can be transmitted. M is a number of symbols or levels. N, here the number of bits. So according to our requirement, here we can transmit more information. Here the number of bits that can be increased. So due to that one, the information rate that can be increased. So here we can indicate that again TB duration bit. In BPSK, TB is equal to only 1 bit duration, because symbol consists of only 1 bit, so that is equal to 1 TB. Or here we can in 1 bit only. TB is indicates that 1 bit duration. That means here we can indicate that TS in BPSK, TS is equal to TB, that is equal to 1 bit. Whereas in QPSK, TS is equal to how many TBs?
2 dB ma'am.
Very good. 2 TB, because each symbol consists of 2 bits. Because each symbol is consists of 2 bits. Similar way in M array, the symbols consists of how many bits? Or how many TBs? TS is equal to, how we can write? TS is equal to ఎన్ని సింబల్స్ ఉండొచ్చు M array లో? Number of symbols.
N TB ma'am.
NTB. Very good.
NTB.
Very good. That is an NTB. So n number of bits that can be present. That is according to our requirements. Okay na? మనం 16 సింబల్స్ని ట్రాన్స్మిట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం. మనం తీసుకున్నది అంటే మన క్వాంటైజేషన్ అంతా తీసుకుని అన్ని చేసుకుని 16 సింబల్స్ని ట్రాన్స్మిట్ చేయాలనుకోండి. అప్పుడు హియర్ వీ కెన్ n is equal to 4, m is a 16. అప్పుడు ఏం రాయొచ్చు? m in the place of m array PSK, 16 array PSK, 16 array PSK or 16 PSK. That indicates that 16 symbols మనం transmit చేస్తాం. The total angle is divided into 16. Each symbol has its own angle. Okay, the amplitude is same, and but the phase of that each symbol that can be changed. So 16 symbols that can be transmitted. The number of bits is equal to 4. For this example, TS is equal to 4 TB. For this example, the TS is equal to 4 TB. Because the number of bits is equal to 4 and consider చేసుకుంటే గనుక 16 PSK లో, so TS is equal to 4 TB, like this. This is an M array PSK. Here the number of symbols that can be increased, so to transmit the data, so that bit rate that can be increased. Now, so what is the equation for this M array PSK? So the equation for this M array PSK is, the equation for M array PSK is V of t equal to V M array PSK equal to root of 2PS cos of omega naught t plus pi m, or for sake of understanding I will write here 2m plus 1 pi by capital M. This is the equation for M array PSK. So here we can observe that in previous why here we can write this equation and then an explanation kuda ichchanu meeku. So M array PSK ki this is the generalized equation. In previous case, in QPSK, in M is equal to 4, M is equal to 4, only 4 levels are, 4 symbols are there. That's why in QPSK, directly here we can substitute it, M is equal to 5 by 4. But here the M is in not 4, it is generalized, that is 2 to the power of n in M array PSK. So M. So small m is equal to, in this case, small m is equal to 0, comma, 1, comma, 2, comma, and until etc. etc. m minus 1, m minus 1. Okay. Suppose
అలాగే ఏమంటున్నారు?
hello Shaman. Okay. Suppose you have to write the equation for M array FSK for m is equal to 4. Equation, right? Not m is equal to 4. M is equal to 4 అయితే QPSK అవుతుంది. Some m is equal to 8. M is equal to 8 అనుకోండి. ఎలా రాస్తారు equation? Let us assume m equal to 8. Sir, 8 అనుకోండి. So ఎలా రాస్తారు? Small m 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7. M is equal to 0. Pi by m is 8. Like that here you can write. For example, I will write that one. V0 of t. Or here m is equal to 8 annar kada, 8 Vm of t. Otherwise ikkada small m kuda pettukovachu meeku convenient kosam. So 2 of root of 2ps cos of omega naught t plus 2 m is equal to 0. So only here we can indicate that pi by 8, m is equal to 8 annam kabatti. Okay, so pi by 8, what is the angle for it? Tell me that. M is equal to 8 symbols unnai anukondi. M is equal to 8 aithe 8 symbols are there. Angle enta vastundi? Pi by 8. So here we can indicate that this is a reference signal cos omega not t. Okay, 5 by 8 అంటే ఎంత అండి యాంగిల్ 180 by 8 ఎంత
22.5.
యాంగిల్ రాంగ్ వస్తుంది చూడండి 180 by 8 5 అంటే 180 కదా 180 by 8 16 2 ఉంటుంది 2 ఉంటుందంటే అగైన్ 2.2 22 degrees వస్తుంది అంటే 8 సింబల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఈచ్ సింబల్ ఎంత యాంగిల్ 22 degrees లైక్ దట్ అలా మనము రాసుకుంటాం హియర్ దట్ ఈస్ అన్ M array PSK 8 symbols with some phase angle like that. Here you can write that equations. Okay, now here you can draw the constellation diagram for M array PSK. Please note down constellation diagram for M array PSK or geometrical representation of M array PSK. This is very very important. Constellation diagram full ga rayandi meeru constellation diagram. So before drawing this constellation diagram, how to write that equation in orthonormal coordinates? Direct ga manam draw cheyakudadu. How to write that equation in orthonormal coordinates? That's why here we can write that equation M array PSK equation into orthonormal coordinates. Orthonormal coordinates. Orthonormal coordinates were raste alaga root of PS and TS cos of 2m plus 1 parallelly have to write equation by m root of 2 by ts cos omega naught t. Please note down parallelly and you have to, otherwise you have to write your own. Already you written this one similar to that QPSK. In QPSK that is in pi by 4 only. In this M array PSK pi by m, that is the difference only. Please know, write your own this equation. Sine of 2m plus 1 pi by m into sine root of 2 by ts sine omega naught t. So this is an u1 of t, this is an u2 of t. So then again for simplify this equation, root of PS TS cos pi m for sake of simplicity, and here u1 of t minus root of PS TS sine pi m u2 of t. You written that equation in orthonormal coordinates. Now here we can draw the phasor diagram or constellation diagram for this M array PSK. How to draw? So here we can draw the constellation diagram. Please listen to me. This is an U1 of t with the amplitude here root of PS TS cos phi m, and U2 of t here we can indicate that this is an U2 of t. That is it. Root of PS TS sin phi m. So let us consider here for m is equal to 0. Here what are the equation? What are the phasor diagram here for this one? And here we can refer this main equation in this one. Here we can substitute m is equal to 0. That equation is root of PS cos of omega naught t plus phi by m angle for m is equal to 0. Similarly, here also we can write here that is equation or constellation diagram for this one here. U1 of t and ut of t here. For substituting m is equal to 0, you will get the resultant of that one is the resultant of that signal is here we can indicate that this is V naught of t, because the m is equal to small m is equal to 0. The angle that can be indicated by pi by m, and this resultant value is root of es. Okay, this is for m is equal to small m is equal to 0. For m is equal to 1, the resultant of this one is equal to the resultant. Again, I will take another color here because of we understand this one here. This is V1 of t, m is equal to 1, V1 of t. The angle of this one is so here we can indicate that this is an 3 pi by m. 3 pi by m. Again, the resultant is root of es. Root of es. And here this is a total from reference 1. This is 3 pi by m for m is equal to 1. So for m is equal to 0, this is pi by m. Only here we can consider this one only. We can consider only this one. This is 2 pi by m. Here we can indicate that 2 pi by m. So the symbol to symbol, this is a one symbol, this is another symbol. The symbol to symbol, the angle is equal to 2 pi by m for this m array FSK. So here we can find out this is a resultant of one symbol. This is a resultant of another symbol. The distance between this symbol to symbol is d. This is an d. And here we can indicate that. So this is an reference carrier to up to this symbol. Here we can indicate that this is an d by 2. D by 2. So here I read on this one. This is a reference u1 of t, u1 of t, and for m is equal to 0, this is an pi by m, and this is the resultant is root of es, and this distance is d by 2. ఓకే సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ వన్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ రిఫరెన్స్ నుంచి ఈ సెకండ్ సింబల్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే యాంగిల్ ఎంత 3 పై బై ఎం. అదే సింగిల్ సింబల్ m ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే ఓన్లీ పై బై ఎం. ఈ సింబల్ టు సింబల్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత d డిస్టెన్స్, కానీ యాంగిల్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఈ సింబల్ టు దిస్ సింబల్ 2 పై బై ఎం, బట్ ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది పై బై ఎం. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది రిఫరెన్స్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు d by 2 ఉంటుంది. Then here you can find out the distance between the symbol to symbol according to this diagram. So here we can find out the angle, the distance between symbol to symbol is, here you can find sine pi by m equal to, pi by m is equal to, you know this distance, that is d by 2 divided by, what is this one, this root of es, that is root of es. Then here we can derive that one for d. So here root of es sine pi by m equal to d by 2. So d square equal to 4 es sine square pi by m. D distance between two symbols, d equal to root of 4 es sine square pi by m. Here we can substitute what is ts. Here es is equal to ps into ts, where es is equal to ps into ts, where ts is equal to n into tb, n into tb. n into tb. Here we can substitute into this equation where m is equal to 2 to the power of n, that is equal to 4 ps ts is nothing but n into tb sine square pi by 2 to the power of n, because m is a number of levels. So this is the expression for the distance between two symbols in M array PSK. Or again here you can write this one is 2 into root of n into EB, because PS into TP is the bit energy. N into EB, sine square pi by 2 to the power of n. Okay, this is a very important relation for M array PSK. This is the distance. Okay, now here you can compare the distances between two symbols in BPSK and QPSK and M array PSK. So in BPSK, the distance between two symbols are in BPSK D equal to 2 into root of EB. Whereas in QPSK, the distance is equal to, again same, 2 into root of EB. Whereas in M array PSK, the distance D equal to 2 into root of N into EB and sine square pi by 2 to the power of n whole square. Sorry, 2 to the power of n. This is the distances between two symbols in three phase shift keying modulation techniques in BPSK, QPSK, M array PSK. So here we can find out, so which one is the best one according to the distances. Hello, my voice is audible to you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
According to, these are the distances. Which one is the best one? Consider in MRF PSK, let us consider M is equal to 16. M equal to 16. Let us assume M is equal to 16 and N and Tamaniki.
4, ma'am.
4. Substitute cheyandi. For in this case, let us consider M is equal to 16. That means N is equal to 4. What is the distance? Make it fast. Okay, నాకు చెప్పాలి, make it fast. Emma, now అది చేస్తా ఉండండి, మళ్ళీ ఇంకోటి చేయండి. Now draw the constellation diagram for 8 array PSK. Draw the constellation diagram for 8 array PSK. నాకు అదే ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి. క్లాస్ అయిపోయే టైంకి నాకు డయాగ్రామ్ కూడా నాకు పోస్ట్ చేయండి, వాట్సాప్ పెట్టండి. 8 అరే పిఎస్కేకి 8 అరే పిఎస్కే కన్స్టలేషన్ డయాగ్రామ్. ప్లీజ్ డ్రా. How to draw the constellation diagram for 8 PSK. First, you have to write the equation. Small m of t తీసుకోండి. Vm of t equal to root of 2ps cos of omega naught t plus 2 into 2 into 2m plus 1 pi by, instead of here you can write 8 error PSK kabatti 8, where small m equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 7. Then V0 of t equal to root of 2ps cos of omega naught t plus m is, substitute m is equal to 0, that is 5 by 8, and v1 of t parallel గా రాయండి. v1 of t root of 2ps cos of omega naught t plus ఎంత m is equal to 2m plus 1. ఈక్వేషన్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. Two m plus 1 pi by 8, m is equal to 1, 2, 3 pi 3 pi by 8. This is a v1 of t. Again v2 of t, equation ఎంత, v2 of t root of 2ps cos omega naught t plus 5 pi by 8, 5 pi by 8. Here you can substitute m is equal to 2, 2 to that 4 plus 5, 1, 5, 5 by 8 like that. అలా ఎన్ని ఈక్వేషన్స్ వస్తాయి మనకి? 8 equations. Have to draw that one. First have to write the equations. Then you have to draw the constellation diagram. Constellation diagram ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలో చెప్తాను. టైం అయిపోతుంది. ఆ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అన్ని రాయండి అందరూ. Okay? Now, then here we can draw the constellation diagram. Same pen like this. So here constellation diagram for this one. This is an u1 of t, and here we can indicate that perpendicular. This is an u2 of t. References. These are the references. u2 of t. First, v naught. Here we can draw the v naught. V naught ante, so here we can draw this v naught. That is m is equal to 0. The resultant is v naught. Then what is the angle? The angle is pi by m. That is in pi by 8. This is a pi by 8. Then what is the next one? Next one is a 3 pi by 8. ఇక్కడ 90 degrees వరకే ఉంటుంది. 3 pi by 8 అంటే ఎంత? చెప్పండి నాకు. 3 pi by 8. That is less than 90 degrees or greater than 90 degrees? Please respond. 3 pi by 8. Next one is a V1. So what is the angle for this one? That angle is a 3 pi by 8. What is the value? 3 pi by 8. నాకు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి అమ్మా ప్లీజ్.
67.5 ma'am.
ఎంతమ్మా?
67.5.
67 less than 1. 67 point. నెక్స్ట్ V2 ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? V2 అంటే ఎంత? 5 pi by 8. ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో వస్తుంది? 5 pi by 8.
Second quadrant ma'am.
ఎంత యాంగిల్ ఎంత?
112 ma'am.
112. ఓకే, మీరు ప్యారలల్ గా డ్రా చేస్తాను. దిస్ ఇస్ ఎన్ మైనస్ u1 of t this is an u2 of t, then v2 that is in, let us say here, this is in v2, so that is in 5 pi by 8, second quadrant. V3 also second quadrant అనుకుంటున్నాను ఏమా? దిస్ ఇస్ ఎన్ V3. సింగిల్ లైన్ డ్రా చేయండి. ఎంత మనకి? 7 pi by 8 ఏనా? దిస్ ఇస్ ఎన్ 7 pi by 8. దిస్ ఇస్ ఎన్ 5 pi by 8. This is in 7 pi by 8. Next, third quadrant loki V4. Enta angle? The angle is V5. That is 11 pi by 8. 11 pi by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is an V6. ఎంత యాంగిల్ ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా?
డిస్ప్లే రావట్లేదు మ్యామ్.
అండ్ V7 డిస్ప్లే రావట్లేదా? ఓకే,
yes ma'am.
ఓకే, నేను చూస్తాను. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అండ్ V6. ఇప్పుడు విజిబుల్ గా ఉందా? మై స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తుందా
yes
మీకు?
ma'am.
V7 యాంగిల్ వచ్చి 13 pi by 8 and this one is an 15 pi by 8. That the constellation diagram for 8 array PSK. 8 array PSK. చాలా సింపుల్, మీకు అది తెలిసిపోతే ఇలా మనం యాంగిల్స్ పెట్టుకొని డ్రా చేసుకోవాలి 8 యాంగిల్స్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ రేన్ అండి, ఎక్స్ట్రాగా పడింది. ఓకే, వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ రాసుకొని, సో V0 V1 V2 అకార్డింగ్ టు దిస్ వన్ 8 అన్నాడు కాబట్టి m is equal to up to m minus capital M minus 1 7 ఈక్వేషన్స్ రాసుకొని ఈ యాంగిల్స్ పెట్టేసుకుంటే మీకు దట్ ఈస్ ద కన్స్టలేషన్ డయాగ్రామ్. సో డిస్టెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రొసీజర్ హియర్? డైరెక్ట్గా ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంది కదా మీకు, డిస్టెన్స్ d is equal to 2 into root of NEB sin square pi by 2 to the power of n is the formula for calculating the distance between the two symbols. Okay, this is a very important one. This is for